Hey everybody, Jeremy here with another video on Reddit ads. Today, wanted to run through a really common kind of question. I was working with a client a little while back, really awesome company, just raised a ton of money, very hot company, and they, have had a ton of success on Facebook and things like that. And they wanted to run Reddit ads. And so this company is known for like their super witty responses to like troll comments and things like that. So they wanted to leave the comments on in the comment section of the actual ads themselves, which you are a very brave person if you leave on the comments in the Reddit ad. They can be a little trying, let's say, sometimes. So what we ended up doing was turning on the comments, right? But we weren't getting any notifications. We couldn't see when anybody was actually, hitting our ads with actual comments. And so we learned that by default on Reddit, the actual comments don't go to your inbox. You have to do something special, and it's kind of a manual process, and it took me a little while to figure out, and I had to actually talk to ad support to figure this out. So I wanted to just share it with all of you, because you'd think that if you turned on the comments section and people are leaving comments on your ads, you'd get a notification, but this actually just isn't the case. So, maybe a change for the future, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, admins. But for now, here's what you do. So we're in the ads dashboard, the Reddit ads dashboard. I have a campaign that's been running. I'm going to click the actual campaign. I'm going to click the actual ad group, and then I'm going to go here, right? So in Reddit ads, I'm going to just show you, I'm going to edit the ad. I'm just going to show you, this is where you would turn on the comments, right? Right below the card image, right above the call to action, right? So you allow comments on Reddit post, okay? So now that you see how to turn them on, when you want to turn on the comments on the ads, right? Hit this preview button, okay? It's going to take you to the link to your actual ad. So as you can see, this is just an ad for daily marketing, subreddit, where most of you, I believe, watch. Let's see. So what you want to do then is go and actually go into the ad set, and you can see here I have some ads, or not ad set, ad. You can see here I have some comments, and these comments, a bunch of different ones, some supportive, some not as supportive, some obvious troll ones that were removed and things like that. But regardless, how you actually turn that on is, see this right here, these, well, actually you can't because my face is in the way. So do you see these three dots down here? You go down, you click those three dots, and you go to send me reply notifications, right? Once that's clicked, you will get them in your inbox, your messages up there, right? And so it really is that simple. One downside, you have to go through and do this for every single one of the ads that you want to run, right? With the comments on, right? Because nothing worse than letting the conversation kind of get out of control, and a bunch of seemingly unanswered questions make you kind of look weird in front of potential new customers, things like that. So if you are going to be brave enough to run with Reddit ad comments, you should turn on these right away. So thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and please subscribe and check out our little community, our daily marketing on Reddit. Happy marketing.